Hey y'all, this is Allie, senior artist for Sephora Hollywood here in LA, and today I'm going to show you my nightly skincare routine. My skin is very dry and dehydrated, and my main skin concern is discoloration. So I'm going to show you a routine that's great for evening your skin tone and brightening. Be sure to stay tuned.
All right, so it's time to take this beautiful makeup off, and I'm going to do that with Farmacy's Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm with ECHINACEA GREENENVY. You guys, I am obsessed with this product. And once you feel it, I swear you will understand why. Like, you just have to feel it to believe it. But this stuff literally takes everything off so quick and so gentle. I'll be honest, I'm a lazy girl at night. Like, I just want to go to bed. I'm probably half asleep when I'm taking my makeup off. So this is a dream for me. So you want to use dry hands and a dry face when applying this. It's going to start as a solid balm and then melt into this really luxurious oil that feels amazing on the skin. So I just gently massage it all over my face and into my eyes. It will take off all your eye makeup too. Now, I have really sensitive eyes, and this is a cleanser that I can totally use around my eyes without any irritation. I love this makeup melter in particular because it doesn't make me feel greasy. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. And conversely, it doesn't leave me feeling dry and tight either. My skin feels so supple and hydrated after I remove it. So before you remove it, you actually want to incorporate just a little bit of water. So I'm just taking a couple drops of water onto my fingertips, and then I massage that into the cleanser I've already applied, and you'll see that it turns to this really frothy milk, which is why my dry, dehydrated skin loves it so much. Now that I've massaged that milky cleanser all over, I'm going to use a damp washcloth to remove this excess cleanser. At home, you can totally just splash away with a sink. It's super easy. Sometimes I like incorporating a washcloth because it does give just this mild exfoliation. You'll see all that makeup I had on come right off. And then you want to be sure to pat dry. You don't want to do any tugging or pulling on your skin. That's a great anti-aging tip. I'm definitely more conscious of my aging concerns, so be sure to pat dry. Treat yourself. Okay, so as I've mentioned before, my eyes are really sensitive. So although Green Clean is amazing, I need a little extra help to ensure I get all my eye makeup off. So I'm going in with my tried and true Sephora Collection Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. You want to shake the bottle to incorporate the formula, and I'm using the Sephora Collection Total Softy Cotton Facial Pads because they're so gentle to remove any excess mascara or eyeliner that I have on. Honestly, the best advice I can give you is be consistent with your makeup removal routine. Even if that's all I can get you to do at night, your skin will thank you. Honestly, you really see the difference when you consistently and properly remove your makeup. So I do encourage a double cleanse. It's important to get all your makeup off, but then it's also important to treat the skin underneath all that makeup. So I'm using Tatcha Rice Enzyme Powder, the classic version. So you just pour a small or, decent size amount into the palm of your hand, however you're feeling that day. And the great thing is you are in control of this exfoliator. So you're going to add a little bit of water to the powder. So basically, dependent on how much water you incorporate, it'll be a little creamier, or you'll feel a little bit more of that powder enzyme exfoliator in there. I was so excited to find an enzyme exfoliator like this one from Tatcha because while my skin is dry, so I do have a lot of texture concerns, it's also sensitive. And I've struggled so much to find an exfoliator that's comfortable for me to use on my skin. So if you have those same concerns, look for an enzyme exfoliator. This one is my personal favorite. It's not the physical particle that's doing the exfoliation, it's the enzyme. Enzymes are going to dissolve any dead skin that's on the surface. So this is really comfortable, and again, it's gentle enough you can use it every day, which I encourage you do. I think of this exfoliator more as a polish. So I like to polish my skin like a stone, keeping it smooth, bright, and beautiful. Then at home, you can rinse off in your sink. Again, I'm using a dampened washcloth. Your skin shouldn't feel dry or tight after you cleanse. That's a sign that you might not be using the right cleanser. Right now, my skin feels hydrated and so smooth and refreshed. And then again, pat dry. Next, I'm using fresh black tea kombucha facial treatment essence. This is actually a new product, but it's one of my favorites in my routine. Being dry, incorporating an essence has really helped to boost the suppleness of my skin. So you pour some drops into your hand and just press into your skin. This is going to boost hydration and help to draw the next products I use in deeper. Hey y'all, here is my holy grail of skincare products. Sunday Riley's Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. I cannot say enough good things about this product. It literally feels like it saved my skin. So what I love about this product is it targets pretty much all of my concerns, you guys. It helps to brighten my hyperpigmentation. It helps when I'm dealing with a current breakout to get rid of it a lot quicker. It also does smooth out my texture concerns and leave my skin really even, bright, and radiant. I cannot thank this product enough for saving my skin. So I do about a full pump and I press it into my skin. Again, because I'm a lot more conscious of my aging concerns, I do bring it down my neck and décolleté. So my lips are feeling dry, time to hydrate. This is Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. I just take my finger and really massage it into my lip. If you also deal with textured dry lips, I would highly recommend putting a lip balm on at night. It sounds like the easiest, simplest thing, but it makes such a big difference. I wake up with such smooth lips. It's really helped me out. Can't forget about those under eyes. This is Shiseido BENEFIANCE Wrinkle Resist 24 Intensive Eye Contour Cream. One of my main concerns is definitely dark circles and fine lines around the eye. So this is a really great eye cream if you share some of my concerns, because while it is intensely hydrating, it's not super rich or heavy on the skin, and it gives the most amazing glow that will last all day or all night in this case. So I use my ring finger so that I'm using a more gentle pressure around my eye, and I just tap it into those areas of concern. Next up, my moisturizer. This is OLEHENRIKSEN Nurture Me Moisturizing Creme. I love this moisturizer because not only is it super hydrating, it's also calming and soothing. So like I said, I do have sensitive skin. I do have concerns of redness and discoloration, so I feel like it really helps calm those concerns down. Plus, if you guys have not tried this, it smells amazing. All right, so I need a little more hydration, so I'm using Tatcha Gold Camellia Beauty Oil over the top of that moisturizer. If you are dry, or if you really love a glow to your skin in the daytime, I highly encourage you to incorporate oils into your routine, especially at nighttime. I've really noticed that I wake up with brighter, smoother, hydrated skin. This beauty oil really boosts the hydration in my other products and leaves my skin feeling more supple and bouncy. Plus, added bonus, it has 24 karat gold flakes in it, so I get an instant glow as well. And lastly, I'm going to finish this all off with Dr. Jart Water Fuse Hydro Sleep Mask. This mask is essentially going to seal in, lock in all that amazing hydration that I've put on in my routine. This mask is a perfect choice if you're dehydrated like me. It's essentially going to act as a barrier to lock in all your other products. And because it's lightweight, it's still going to allow my skin to breathe through the night. It's not going to be too rich or heavy at all.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you felt it was informative. If you have any questions for me, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Sephora's YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you soon.